In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Expressvpn and experience premium VPN service in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking for speed, privacy, or a reliable way to access your favorite content, Expressvpn can be a great solution for your online needs. I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring it's straightforward and easy to follow. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Expressvpn website. You can simply search for Expressvpn or use a direct link if you have one. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice the emphasis on speedy connections and top-notch privacy features, exactly what you want in a reliable VPN. Next, look for the My Account section of the website. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to move forward. This will take you to the area where you can manage your account settings or sign up if you're new to Expressvpn. Once you've clicked on My Account, the next step is to select Sign In. For returning users, this is where you'll enter your email and password to access your existing account. If you're new, this same section will guide you to create a new account quickly and securely. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. The interface here is user-friendly and guides you through the process smoothly. After signing in, it's time to access the Expressvpn dashboard. The dashboard is where you can manage your subscription, devices, and account settings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's a handy place to control your VPN settings and see your connection status. With the dashboard open, look for the option to buy a new subscription. Click on it and you'll be directed to the subscription plans available. You'll have a variety of options to choose from, each catering to different needs and budgets. Now, you'll need to select a plan to purchase. Consider how long you want to commit and what suits your budget best. Expressvpn often has offers and discounts, so keep an eye out for those savings. Once you've decided, select your preferred plan, and you'll be taken to the payment process. Enter your payment details securely and finalize your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully set up Expressvpn on your account. Congratulations on taking the first step towards greater online privacy and security with Expressvpn. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, you can now enjoy a faster, more secure internet experience. If you have any questions or run into issues, Expressvpn offers excellent customer support, available 24/7 to assist you. Thank you for joining us today, and happy browsing with Expressvpn.